not gonna risk my life for you getting sick, Emily. You aren't shit to prepare for and all. I don't want you to get sick. Sounds like you're coughing severely in here. It doesn't look good, Emily. No. Doesn't sound good. I'm coming down in a minute. Doesn't sound good, do you? No. Looks like you're coughing severely. Did that staff cough out there earlier? Yeah, she did. Oh, Jesus. I don't like the sound of that. I don't like your staff at all. Like any other. She's gonna do that. I'm gonna get her for that. So you're coughing severely. Don't like the sound of your cough, Emily. Poor friend. Need some water before you go to sleep. Probably do, I don't know. I'll get you in there in the nick of time and I'll get you to bed. Be a good idea, probably. What you looking at? Just the scale. I'll hit there, I'll be done in minutes. Cause the same way. My staff. Your staff did it. Yeah, Jesus. My staff did it. Well, she's gonna pay the price for it. I'm gonna her myself. I'll hold her there, but tomorrow because Susan gonna show up. Hopefully you'll feel better. Let's get you to bed. Yeah. You better not be writing me up if that's what you're thinking. Are you writing me up or are you just doing your narrative work? Beverly, are you listening?
No.
Are you writing me up or not?
I'm not writing you.
You better prove it.
There's nothing to write you up about.
You better prove it. If I find out on the 3rd, you're really gonna get it. Yeah, don't hurt my friend up. She got her sick now. Nice going, got me sick. You go, troublemaker. Thanks for that. Mention Emily. Let's get you in bed. Can't believe you're sick again. Can't believe it either. That stuff's gonna regret it. Can't believe you're coughing it again, Emily. I'm gonna lay by your side. That'd be nice. Come down there after you get yourself tucked in. Okay, I'll be tucked in a minute. Alright. Can't believe that stuff got you sick yet again, Emily. I hate that one out there. How often is she here? I don't know, but she shows her face and never see her again. That's a smart idea, Emily. I'll be down in a minute. See you. So everyone's tucked in, so sorry on anything. These masters are still up. Who's still up? I might think all the others are still up. Yeah, Jesus there. Yeah, I think so. Oh, you guys tend to go to bed. Is it our bedtime already? Yeah, it's bedtime. You better hit the sack. Alright, I'll go to bed. Tell everyone it's bedtime. Thanks, Emily. You're welcome. Very good at bed. Guys, time for bed. Is it really? Yeah, it is. Now go to sleep. Alright. Yeah, Paul, you heard it. Time for bed. Thunder. You called? Yeah, it's time for bed. Is it alright? Yeah, it's time to go to sleep. Alright, I'll go to bed. Good night, Thunder. See you. I'm gonna check you in the morning. Sorry, I don't know anything, so. Doctor. Jeez, Emily, you don't sound well. I thought you sick this time. My staff did. Creepy lady out there. Yeah, it was her. Is she coughing by any chance? Yes. And was the heat turned up? Oh God, did you have your Tums and all your pills and anything to eat by any chance? Yes, I already had all my pills. I'm good, then straight to bed with you. So you don't like the sound of that cough, or the stuffy nose for that matter. But, if you feel better in the morning, I'll come down and check on your progress, and by the way, have you had any, water? Well, not much. That snake needs to do her job, so before you go to bed, make sure, your friend Brutlight up there tells that idiot snake to get you some water before bed. And have you used the restroom by any chance? I just did. Alright, well, make sure, this one up here just, instructs that idiot snake over there to, make sure she gives you some fluid before bed. Okay? Will do, thanks. Yeah, and, make sure that, Burley or someone snuggles with you. If not, and by the way, if you're in, any severe pain or you, feel anything, let, someone know, let the kids know. Or let someone else know in the morning if you're, feeling anything, and I'll come check on you after that, but, yeah, let the kids know or anything, okay? And, Brutlight, yes. I have some, sad news about your girl. What is it? If, Viper does not give her any fluids, your girl's cough gets severely worse and all. So make sure before your, friend goes to bed, she gets fluids in her. And maybe snuggle with your friend. Because I do not like the cough or the stuffy nose. Whoever gave this virus or whatever it is to her is gonna regret it. Because I do not like her cough or stuffy nose. Make sure that idiot snake gives her fluid before bed. Because I do not like the sound of her cough or stuffy nose, so snuggle with her, but first deal with Viper. Make sure that idiot snake gets her fluid. Can you do that? Yeah, I'll do it. Alright, well, see you both in the morning, Emily. Yes. And Brilliant will handle Viper, and then she'll be down to snuggle with you and all. But if you feel any pain in the morning, let, this one know, or let the kids know, okay? Will do. Good, doctor. Emily, feel better by morning, and just get plenty of bed rest, and have a good night, you too. Thanks. No, you too. You do not sound well, so this one here will handle a Viper now, and she'll be down to snuggle with you. But in the meantime, have a great night, and take care of yourself. Well, thanks, doctor. No problem. See you guys in the morning. Alright, you scaly snake. Get out here. Alright, you. My friend's not feeling. Get her some water. Alright, you heard her. Get me some more now. Alright, I'm going. I really now. You girls, why are you happy? Viper, knock it off. Poor friend. Hopefully that helps. Looks like it didn't. Alright, you. I'll call you when you're needed. Maybe you idiot snake. Get up here now. Go to your corner, you stupid snake. Viper,